class has started.
Yes. Okay, everyone is back now. Just sending one message in the group to join back so that everyone, those who are not here, will come back.
So now we will do the revision.
Huh, we'll do the revision.
Now supplementary packed with the sun we have to do. Ma'am?
Just a moment, just a moment. Okay. Okay, I've already sent the message. Children are joining in. Right? So next chapter that we have to do is पापा अपना फोन देना.
Mama packed with the sun.
A pact with the sun. Acha, wonder called sleep. Everyone had understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
problem?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Anything that you need to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to open the page. Everyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, I'm asking.
Packed with the sun.
Yes, a pact with the sun. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ready everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm starting with the story now. Okay, so now it is a story. It is a story uh, about a girl whose name was Saida who has a mother. Okay, so her mother is very ill and suffers from fever, cough, body pain, and joint pain, and many other such things. Okay, so even though a lot of physicians have treated her, she is not getting better. Okay, many of the people have shown him to the doctors and the physicians, but she is not recovering from her illness. Okay, so they
She was getting worse.
worse and worse day by day. Okay, her condition is getting worse day by day. So moreover, they all the physicians have told him not to have a normal food and asked her to stay in a closed room so that she will not infect others, and they ask her to avoid sitting in a open and fresh air so that her illness shall not contaminate others also. Okay, so as expected this does not work well for her, because if you will not get a proper amount of sunlight, because sunlight gives us what? Anyone tell me?
Then vitamin D.
Exactly, it is very very important for all the living organisms in the world, isn't it? Sunlight is very important. So every we used to get a lot of energy with vitamins from sunlight. So if somebody says to, especially when the person is not keeping well, to not to sit in a fresh air, not to sit under the sunlight, so definitely the things are going to be worst in spite of getting better. So, as expected, this does not work well for her. So, on the other side, on the opposite, it is exactly what she needs to get well. She needs to have a normal food. She needs to sit and under the sun in a fresh air. But all the physicians are advising her not to do so. Okay, so that is why she is not recovering from her illness. Getting it?
Yes.
Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So as okay, fine. So as people suggest her to consult a specialist, they agree despite being poor that she sells off her all ornaments. Now she sell off all her ornaments to show to a some one specialist, and the specialist was little, it's little expensive one. Okay, so poor people can't afford to show that, especially, but if, what is more important, accessories or the gold and ornaments, or or the health, what is important? Exactly, the health is important. So she sell off all her ornaments to meet the expenses of the specialist, and then specialist examines her and offers her costly but very effective medicines. Okay, but and moreover, he does not does not forbid her or tell her not to sit under the sun or eat, not to eat certain things. He, what he said, he asked her to get fresh air and sunlight every single day. Okay, so he said that you have to sit under the sun, okay, and then you have to get a fresh air every single day. So he asked her to move, and when he asked that where are you, why are you in this such a small room, you should get a bigger room with all with a proper ventilation. There should be doors and windows in your room. You are not allowed to sit in such a confined room. Okay, so she has been advised by the doctor to sit in a bigger room and to get the sunlight and the fresh air and to eat everything she wants. Okay, and she has been asked to eat everything she wants, but to sit in under the sun and a fresh air. Then, even though some people advise her against it, they were not satisfied. The family, people of the family and the other neighbors said, what the rubbish the doctor is talking about, it should not be done like that, and it's not going to help you out. But Saida's mother, she did not listen to them. She said that I will be make the arrangements and I want to obey each and every word the specialist had said. Okay, so the next few years, and she wishes to sit under the sun for little, for some hour, for an hour. But the cloud, there was, the days were like remain cloudy. There were no signs of sun for last few days and the next few days. So this was the little, it was a little matter of concern regarding her health. So she starts to uh, uh, asking for the son. Okay, she start asking for the son and making complaints to God that please, God, uh, I can't bear myself without the sun, so please send some sunshine on my way. So Saida had heard what her mother is asking, so she spot a very light sunshine in the afternoon, and she starts requesting the departing rays. Okay, so as the rays started departing from her courtyard, she started praying to God that please, sun, and making the request to sun that please come the next day and bring enough warmth and brightness. Okay, to bring enough warmth and brightness. This much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so finally what happened, the rays were so they watched her praying in a very honest way, very sincerely. So the rays made the promise to Saida that okay, that I will be there the next day to help your ailing mother. And the rays planned to come out the next day as promised to Saida. But what happened when they were coming out, on the way, the sun asked them, that the sun said that it is not our day to go on the earth, it's the day is off again. Okay, the day is off, and as the clouds have already blocked the road of the earth. Okay, so even the rays couldn't reach towards the earth because the clouds have already blocked them. So it's a day off and you have to sit back. So the ray which promised Saida told the sun that it cannot stay back. Okay, and because they have made the promise to Saida. Okay, the ray said that I made a promise to Saida. I cannot take it back, because if in heavens we do such things, then we uh, uh, why we always believe that people living on the earth will be honest. Okay, if we are not keeping their promises, then why we believe that people on the earth will keep their promises? Okay, so this is what the sun rays told the sun. And so the rays revolt against the sun. They revolt against it revolt against the sun to keep their word, and the promise that they made to Saida. This much clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then they focus their heat, and the clouds scatter away. They were so much heated. The rays were having so much, they were very strong, that they made the clouds scatter away. Okay, and then finally they reach the earth, and her mother is able to bask in the sun and breathe in fresh air. So it was so warm and so soothing, so healing, that it really makes Saida's mother feel really very nice to have those sun rays on his to feel over his body. Okay, and this makes her very dull face glow, and the doctor advice started working, and she recovered. Gradually she recovered fully with her from her ailment. Okay, so she now sits under the sun and under the fresh air every day, and gradually she started healing up from this illness. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
clear,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes,
any
ma'am.
any questions, any questions that you need to ask?
Ma'am.
Okay, so should I give extra question answers of this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so be ready with the notebook, and I'm writing it on the whiteboard, and you have to copy it down. Okay?
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, be ready. Any doubt, anyone? Arpit?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Harshita? Anyone? कुछ भी पूछना है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That this chapter is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
even if you have not see the question answers at the back of the chapter, I have already given it to you. But in case if the question comes not from the chapter's book, if it comes out of the chapter also, if teacher has made a question on themselves, you can answer it on your, if you have understood the chapter well properly, you can answer it in your own words, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So don't leave the questions because it is not given in the textbook. If it comes from outside also, you can frame the answer in your own words. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
I hope everyone had understood, and if there is any problem, anything that you have not understood, you are going to ask me. Okay? So a pact with the sun. Extra question answers. Question 1. What were the causes of Saida's mother's illness. So, what were the causes? Have you understood this question? What all things were the causes of Saida's mother's illness? It was fever, cough, body ache, and painful joints. Yes, correct. Who had been ailing for a long time? Who was it?
Mom,
Saida's mother. Correct. Absolutely correct. Question number 3 is what?
for the first one question.
I'm going to share this image, okay? Don't worry.
The first one were the causes of Saida's mother's illness.
Huh.
What is more? Ma'am, I'm not writing the question. I'm just directly writing the answers. Answer one, answer.
Better then, how would you get to know that question? What was the question if you'll not write the question? Okay, so you have to write better. Otherwise, you won't be able to write the answer during the exam, because when you have written the question, then you know the answer. Okay, according to what is more precious than money, according to the relatives and neighbors. What was more precious?
Money.
Sorry, what was it?
Ma'am, life is not more important than money.
Yes, life is important. Life is important. Okay, so the answer is life is more precious than money. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so
Question 4.
then why did Saida's mother sell off her jewelries? What was the reason?
Ma'am, because you want to meet the expensive doctor.
Yes, to meet the expenses of the expensive doctors. Then question number 5.
6.
It's 5 now.
Yes, ma'am. It's 5.
Mm. Given by the specialist. What was the suggestion given by the specialist? And then next is
And can you show the question number 3?
yes.
Mama, it's what is more precious than money according to relatives and neighbors.
Hmm.
Mama, I am on 6th question.
Okay.
Can you show the second one?
Yes.
The second one is had been ailing for a long time.
Okay, next is I will share the image. Children, don't worry. Okay, what did Saida pray to the rays of the sun? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then who promised to come at the fixed hour?
Sun rays.
Yes, the sun
And
rays.
sun. Ma'am, the sun rays.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We are gonna discuss them right now or just
Uh,
writing the
you
question?
just write down the question. We shall discuss it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
who stood guard between the rays and Saida's courtyard?
Ma'am, the clouds. The clouds.
Correct. Correct. The clouds. Why Saida called out her mother with joy? Sorry, question number 8. Question number 8 is this. Acha, I'm sharing the first image and then I will be sharing the second one. Okay. Only one question is left. Just wait for one question. Question number 10, and I'm sharing both the images right away. Okay. And then what happened after some months?
I'm Saida's mother was like feeling better and she can do work.
Months. And who is the writer is author of the story is written over there na, in the book?
I'm Zakir Hussain.
Yes. So who is the author of this story?
I'm Zakir Hussain.
Name
Zakir
the
Hussain.
author of this story. So you have to write the name only. This is the last question, and I'm sharing the images in the group so that you will be able to write down the questions and do it on your own. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you have received both the images.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So once again, if you can answer all the questions so that it will be a revision for each one of us. Okay, Deepta, you ask the question, and rest of you, Agam Jodh, you want to ask the question? Acha, let Deepta do it for this time. Next time Agam Jodh will do. Okay, so Deepta, you ask the question from after first you take the name and then ask the question and then they will answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please do it.
So, this is Harshita.
Harshita, you there?
Yes. Ma'am, so the question is,
Hmm.
what were the causes of Saida's mother's illness? The causes of Sida's mother illness are fever, cough, body itches, and painful joints.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the next One for Agamjot.
Hmm.
So the question is, who had been ailing for a long time? Sarita's mother was ailing for a long time. Yes, ma'am. What's correct?
Correct. Correct. Who had been ailing? So Saida's mother was ailing. Yes, correct. Next.
The next is Arpit. Ma'am, can I?
Arpit is there? Yes, Arpit is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, more previous than money according to relative and neighbor are health. Ma'am, I haven't told the question.
Arpit, we wait for the question to be asked, then you will give the answer, okay?
No, ma'am, I am waiting, but anyone has not asked the
Acha.
question.
Okay, okay. Arpit, next is Arpit. Please ask the question, Deepta, from Arpit.
Yes, ma'am. What is more precious than money according to relatives and neighbors? Ma'am, more precious than money according to relative and neighbor is health.
Hmm. Health or life? Life of a person. Yes?
Health or life
Hmm.
of human being.
Health and life. You can give both the answers. Health and life are more precious than money, according to the relatives and neighbors.
And neighbors.
Hmm. Next.
Ma'am, next is Nancy.
Hmm.
Nancy. Ma'am, the question is,
Where is
why
Nancy?
did she sell her jewelries?
Hmm. She left. She left meeting. Huh. Next up.
Aryan. Aryan.
Hmm.
Aryan, tell.
Aryan, give the answer.
Why did Saida's mother sell off her jewelry? Ma'am,
Aryan, please open your camera and give the answer. Aryan, please open your camera.
can I?
Yes, please open your camera and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Saida's mother sell off her jewelry to meet a specialist.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so next is Aradhana.
Hmm.
The question is, what was the suggestion given by the specialist?
Hmm.
The suggestion given by the specialist is to leave this dark hole and go to a biggest room and sit in sun and take a lungs full of fresh air.
Correct. Correct.
Next, Ankit. Ankit. Has she taken my name? Yes. Mom, I can't hear her.
Ankita?
Ma'am,
Okay.
what's the question?
Yes.
Must I will ask her what happened after some months? After some months, Saida's mother had recovered from all her ailings, but ma'am, she still followed the specialist's advice of sitting in the sun and taking in lungfuls of fresh air every day.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so now Shriyaj.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the question is, what did Saida pray to the rays of the sun? Ma'am, she prayed that please, come and touch the earth because my mother is suffering from AIDS and she needs the
Okay, correct. Correct. I think Shreyash, your mic is not working or what? Your voice is not clear.
low light.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the network low.
Okay. 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 Anyone else want to give the
Now,
Deepta, ask the same question from someone else also. So the answers are going to be revised.
Ayush Pad. Ayush Pade. Can you hear me?
Ayush, are you there? Yes. Hmm.
So you have to tell the answer what did Saida pray to the rays of the sun? Rays of sun that come over the light.
Ayush, you're not
He is
audible.
not getting the answer.
Ayush, what happened? You're not understood?
Okay.
Do you need
I don't know. Mom, he has
what you don't know, Ayush? Acha, let me talk to him. Ayush, what you don't know?
his voice is not clear. Ma'am, the answer, ma'am, not my exact reason. Ma'am, he had answered correct, ma'am. I could hear his answer.
So he was not confident enough while giving the answer. He was just thinking of whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, but the answer is correct, but you should be speaking in confidence. Okay, Ayush? And if you have not understood anything, please ask. Right? Okay, Ayush?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Another question.
Okay, any other question is left?
Ma'am, can I ask
Okay, Ankita, you want to ask? Yes.
can I ask
Okay, Deepta, let Ankita wants to ask you a question. Please ask.
Ma'am, I'll just ask her. So, ma'am, Deepta's question is, ma'am, ma'am, it's why, ma'am, what was the suggestion given by the specialist?
Okay, what was the suggestion?
The suggestion given by the specialist was to sit in a big room with doors and windows open to take to inhale the fresh air and to sit and one and a half an hour to sit in the court to sit in outside so in the charpoy on the charpoy so that she can take the sun rays for her good health. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, it's correct.
Okay, correct. Yes,
Ma'am,
correct.
so next,
Uh,
ma'am,
and,
so
and
next Ayushman.
Ayushman. Ayushman, please open your video and answer the question.
Ma'am, the question is why Saida called out her mother with joy.
Ayushman, you there? He's not answering. Ayushman, you there? He's there in the
But
meeting?
does it?
Yes, he's there. Why you not answering, beta? What happened, Ayushman? Okay,
Ma'am, so Nayansi.
ask somebody else.
Nayansi. How
Nancy,
can
you
you
are there?
Yes, sir, she is there, but she is not responding.
Even Ayushman is there but not responding. They slept or what?
Ma'am, they didn't left, but they are not responding.
Yes. Wake
Ma'am,
up, Ayush. Nancy, wake up. It's morning. Good morning, Nancy. Good morning, Ayushman.
okay, ma'am, good afternoon.
Oh, it's afternoon
Ma'am,
is
but
right after 1 minute.
yes, ma'am.
Ha.
I will ask somebody else.
Nancy left.
Uh,
Nancy left, I think, due to network issues. Okay, somebody else uh, wants to give the answer. Yes, somebody is raising the hand. It's Ryan. Arpit. Arpit is
ma'am,
raising the hand.
Arpit.
Let Arpit answer. Yes, Arpit.
No, ma'am, मैंने आंसर दे चुका है मैम. मैम, I have to say something.
Okay, tell me what you have to say.
Ma'am, Ashish Yadav, ma'am of our class is left the meeting because ma'am, in his blog the light has gone, so he is messaging on my
Okay,
personal
beta.
number.
Okay,
So
okay.
can you tell the ma'am that I
Okay.
am attending?
Okay,
And
okay. Okay, tell him that it's okay. Don't worry. I'll be sharing the video. He can watch it all over again. Okay? Okay. So anyone else want to give the answer that Deepta is asking? Somebody, if even if you have given the answer, you can give it once again.
Harshita.
Hmm. Okay, Harshita.
Harshita. Question? Yes.
Yes. Give question, please. Deepta, repeat the question. Deepta, please repeat the question.
Why? Why Saida called out her mother with joy? Ma'am. Harshita. Ma'am, can I?
Mm-hmm.
Will answer or Aryan the answer?
Harshita, na? Harshita, she asked Harshita.
Saida saw the whole host of them approaching her heart leap with joy. No.
Why Saida called out her mother with joy? Question, read the question again.
Saida saw the sun rays, that's why she called her mother with the joy.
Yes, because the sun rays are approaching her courtyard. That filled her with joy, and that's why she called her mother out of the house. Yes, please. Ankita, if you want to give the answer, you can give.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can tell the class. Uh, Ma'am, so who promised to come at the fixed hour? Sanjay promised Saida to come at the fixed hour.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other question left?
Ma'am, who's the author of the story?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can
Who's
I
the?
answer?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain. Okay, it's Zakir Hussain. He's the author of the story. So I hope the things are clear. The chapter is clear, and all these 11 question answers should be done in the practice notebook. Okay, everyone. And tomorrow onwards, be prepared for the activity that we are going to conduct online. So be ready with the text also that you're going to read. Okay, and it should be a small text, not too much, or just a paragraph. Okay, so be ready for that.
Yes, ma'am.
And if there is any problem, anything that you've not understood. Aryan?
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written all question answers.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. You will get a chocolate from me when the school reopens. Okay? Okay. So, everyone, please keep on revising. Okay? And be ready for the activity that we have to do from tomorrow. Okay?
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Right, and now it's lunch time. 12:05 is already, it's 12:05. So keep revising, and right after the lunch you have to come and attend the class. Okay, don't bunk the class, nobody should. Okay, so, and if any problem is there, I'm there. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my phone is have only 2% of
So
battery. I
start,
want to
just
use it
start charging, beta, and don't use phone to attend the class. You should use laptop. Okay, so use laptop to attend the class. Don't use phone, otherwise it will keep on yes, so it will keep on discharging, so you, it will again bring a trouble for you. So right, so we'll meet tomorrow. Take care, everyone, and I hope everyone has given the attendance. Bye, Barbie.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Bye, take care.
okay, ma'am.
Bye, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for this.
Thank you, most welcome.